In today's video, we are going to talk about how to get your home ultimately ready for fall because you want it to be maximum coziness. And there's some steps that we're going to take in order to achieve that. So what better time to introduce to you my Helix Sunset Luxe mattress. Helix Sleep is a premium mattress customized to fit your needs and shipped conveniently to your door. It might seem a little daunting to buy a mattress online, but Helix has the most amazing quiz that you can take that'll match you with the perfect mattress. Not only for yourself, but if you have a partner that sleeps with you also. For both Jason and I, we are both side sleepers, and so it matched us with the Helix Sunset Luxe. Oh my goodness. We have been so pleased. I have never slept better.
Do you have a favorite thing you love about this bed?
I love how instantly comfortable this bed is.
I don't want to get up.
For me personally, I was waking up every morning with the body aches, feeling stiff, neck pain, back pain, and I really wanted to give something a try that I've heard so many wonderful things about, and it has beyond lived up to that expectation. Helix delivers your mattress right to your doorstep, free shipping in the US. It comes rolled up and it's super easy to set up. One of the things that I really love about it is Helix mattresses are fiberglass free. In my home, that's very important, especially with how sensitive I am to everything. They give you a 100-night trial to ensure that you love it, which you're going to. Helix mattresses include a 10-year warranty. They also have flexible payment plans and financing options. And it's pup approved. You love this bed. She's the #1 fan. She never wants to get out of it, do ya? We are loving our Helix mattress, and I think that you would also. I've been telling my friends and family all about all the wonderful night sleeps that I've been having. You can head to helixsleep.com/charmingabode to get 20% off and 2 free pillows. A big thank you to Helix Mattress for sponsoring today's video, where I am going to get my house as cozy as possible for the upcoming fall season. So what I did is I started doing quite a bit of living room rearranging. Down here in the basement, I decided to do a whole rearrange to where I wanted to make the room just feel a lot more cozy. Just wanted to bring us in. It felt very far apart. I wanted it to feel like when we were down there that we were all together and it was more like cohesive. It just felt very separated.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me.
Transforming our space for maximum fall comfort is because I don't know about where you guys live. You might live somewhere really nice, like Hawaii, maybe southern Florida. But here in Kansas, once fall sets in and we go through winter, I feel like I have almost 6 months of being indoors a lot. I just want to rearrange my furniture because I want to have that extra comfort and homey feeling. So I have this picture is all I have left to do down here, and then let me show you the space. So now we're just in a nice U shape. So it just makes it so much more convenient for us to all just sit and talk, watch TV, and I love it. Set up in the living room, I got a sofa with a love seat, and I got a chair and a half with an ottoman. This enables me to fit in this chair with the dogs and have plenty of room, have my feet up, super relaxed. And then I have this adorable ottoman that I brought up to use as the coffee table, and I have an actual coffee table, but boy, I really like the blues in this. I think it's gonna be perfect coming up for fall and winter. When it comes to fall decorating, think about your atmosphere. That should be like one of the number one things. We were transforming our space because I wanted to make it as cozy and comfortable as possible. So I decided to just do a little rearranging and create the atmosphere that is most pleasing to me. I actually really, as you can see here in my living room, enjoy blue. So I wanted to bring blue touches into my home, and that's what I'm going to be adding for fall this year, is both blue and oranges and different things like that. But don't be afraid to think outside of the box and think that you only have to stay with a certain color when decorating for fall. Paying attention to like your foliage that you put in your rooms for fall, whether you want to add in more rustic looking. I love this olive tree. I feel like it's a great complement to the living room because not only is it good for fall, I feel like it kind of looks great in here any season. So if I'm going to spend money, I love to for it to be versatile and I can be able to use it for many seasons. So I added in this 7-foot tall olive tree that I got off of Amazon. Everything is in my Amazon store and will be listed down below that I'm able to. Don't forget to think about your pillows that you put in, the different aspects of how you can really bring in that fall atmosphere. For me, I am going to be switching out. I really love this blue plaid pillows that I have in here for fall right now. And then come winter, I'm going to switch them out and go into a blue velvet, which I think will look great. Honestly, the blue velvet would look really awesome right now also. So I love the velvet pillows that I showed a few weeks back. You need to check those out. There's really pretty, fall colors in there if you like more traditional colors like the oranges, the burgundies, rust color, all that. So keep that in mind. Little touches like that can just give you that sense of fall, but without feeling like you just threw pumpkins all over your living room. And definitely consider adding some chunky knit or faux fur textures to really amplify that cozy feeling in your living space. Sometimes just adding that little simple yet stunning decor can really personalize your space. I was feeling a little disappointed with the fall candles that I was finding because I wanted something that had both blue and orange pumpkins on it, and there was no way I was ever going to find that. So I decided to make it myself, and this is the easiest DIY. Trust me, so simple. So I found my little napkins that I really enjoy, and they have the orange and the blue, and it's perfect for my home. So all you have to do is just open up whatever napkin you want to use. And there's usually a couple layers. So you're gonna take off that back layer. Be careful, because obviously it's delicate, but it comes off pretty easy. And then you're left with the thin layer of almost like tissue paper, which you can use tissue paper also, if that's something that you find in the fall pattern that you like. I cut around my pumpkins in order to take away that excess napkin. Then all we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna wrap it around our candle, and you're gonna wanna get it to where it lines up because you're not gonna want excess. And what I mean by that is you're not gonna want it to be overlapping each other because otherwise it's not gonna stick properly. But I just measure, I see where it lines up, and then just trim it off. Okay, I think that's gonna do fine. Now here comes just the really easy part. I'm gonna use my heat gun. You do not have to have a heat gun for this. You can just use your regular old hair dryer. It works just as well. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna apply heat to the napkin, and the wax underneath starts to melt. And what it does is it causes the napkin to just kind of form into the candle. Now, I don't think I probably need to say this, but I will just in case. You obviously, when you go to burn these candles, you do need to be careful. That's why I chose one that went down further, so that when my candle's burning, I won't risk any kind of fire. Or honestly, these are gonna be more for looks in my home. So keep that in mind. You do need to be cautious of this. It takes a little bit for your hair dryer to get hot enough for it to really start working. Don't think that when you first start, it's not working. It's going to. This is so super simple. Let's go put it in our living room. I hope you guys feel inspired to transform your home for maximum comfort this autumn season. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Are you ready for fall? We